If you're experiencing FPS drops on your Nintendo Switch, there are several steps you can take to improve performance. Follow this easy guide to help stabilize your gaming experience. Step 1. Close background applications. Make sure to close any applications running in the background. Press the Home button, highlight the game or app you want to close, and press the X button to exit. This frees up system resources for your current game. Step 2. Update your system software. Ensure your Nintendo Switch is running the latest system software. Go to System Settings, select System, and then choose System Update. Download and install any available updates to improve performance and stability. Step 3. Adjust display settings. Lowering the brightness of your screen can help reduce strain on the system. Go to System Settings, select Screen Brightness, and adjust it to a lower level. This can help maintain a smoother frame rate. Step 4. Clear cache. Clearing the cache can help improve performance. Go to System Settings, select Data Management, and then choose Save Data Cloud Backup. From there, you can manage and clear unnecessary data that may be causing slowdowns. Step 5. Use Airplane Mode. If you're playing online, consider switching to Airplane Mode to reduce network strain. Go to System Settings, select Airplane Mode, and enable it. This can help improve performance by limiting background network activity. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in your Nintendo Switch's performance and a reduction in FPS drops. Happy gaming!